Hi, my name is Kate. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a user to your WordPress site. You may need to add users for other authors on your site, or you may have coworkers or team members that also need to contribute. To manage our users, let's go to the Users page. Alright, you can see that so far there's only one user, which is me, as the administrator. Very quickly, I'll tell you the different roles that we have on our WordPress site. An administrator has access to all of the administrative functions. They can pretty much do anything. An editor can create and publish posts and pages, as well as edit other users' posts and pages. An author can create and publish their own posts, but not edit any of the other posts. A contributor can write and manage their own posts, but they can't publish their posts on their own. They have to submit their posts for review before they can be published. A subscriber can only view content. To add a new user, I'm going to choose Add New, and now I'm going to give my coworker John his own account. His username is going to be John, and his email. I'm going to create him a password. And I'm also going to choose to send his password to his email so he knows how to log in. Now I'm going to choose his role. John is going to be an editor. He's going to help me out with just about everything. I'll then choose Add New User. You can see I've created my new user, John, and now both of us appear on the user's page. If I ever need to remove John, I can select him and choose Delete, or just delete here. I can also edit user settings. And that's how you would add a user to your WordPress site.